Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday, so it is the 52-week savings challenge and I'm super excited because I got some new numbers and I still got some old numbers that I have not pulled yet. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how much you are going to be putting in, and also make sure you comment your number for next week because then you will get chosen hopefully, and then I will shout you out if you have a channel. But anyways, it feels like I have not done a video in forever. It's probably because I still do not have internet. When I am filming this, I do not have internet, so hopefully we'll get it in a couple of weeks so I can do my weekly check-in. But we're just going to get started. So the numbers that I have gotten this week is 38, 13, 16, 34, 36, 25, 35, 49, and 37. So that is a good bit of numbers. There are a lot of high numbers, but you know, there's a mix between high numbers, low numbers, in between numbers. So we are just going to get started. And as always, I put it in a pink little post-it note and I ripped it, and we are going to pull it out from the box. So it's a little scary, but let's see what we're gonna have. How about, yeah, I can't get out because some of it's like the post-it note is like the sticky part. So all right, so let's see what this is. So we have 36. So whoever picked 36, I am going to be putting your name right here across the screen. And if you have a channel, I will be linking your stuff down below also. So make sure you go subscribe to them if they have a channel. So $36, that is how much we are going to be putting in. So I'm trying to empty the post-it notes just so it'll be clear. And then we have to get our money situated. So let's see. So I have two $20 bills. So I have 40, but I pulled 36. So we are actually going to be taking away $4 from our stack. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And we're going to add the $40. All right, so we're gonna set this aside first, and you know, as always, we have to color it in. So we picked 36 this week, so we will need to see what colors we need. So it's red, green, blue, and red. So we will need a red for number 36. And let's color it in. You guys, this challenge is so much fun, and I'm so happy that I am getting y'all involved. Whether it's either starting the 52-week challenge or commenting down below what number I should pick and shouting you out. Like, I love interacting with y'all, and I am so grateful for you guys. And that is pretty much what I am grateful for right now, besides, you know, my family, my friends, my health, and my job and everything. So let me know down below what you are grateful for. So there's 3 things you need to do. You need to like and subscribe. You need to comment what you're grateful for. Comment if you picked the number that I pulled, because I want to congratulate you guys. And let me know what number I should do next week. All right, so that is it. So $36 is how much we colored in. And we are going to take our money and we are going to count it. So 100, 200, 300, 2, 40, 60, 80, 1. That's 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2. That is 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So $68 is right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $568 is how much we have saved since January. So that is awesome. so we are going to add that. So $36, and we're just going to use our calculators just because. So 532 plus 68. Oh, not 68. 532 plus 36 equals $568. And there you have it, folks. So that is my weekly Tuesday 52-week challenge, money challenge. I hope y'all have a great week, and hopefully I will see you guys for the weekly check-in. I'm going to try to do the 2 weeks because I know I didn't do it last week because of the internet issues, and hopefully my internet is up by then so y'all can do the weekly check-in. The only reason I am able to upload this is because I used my brother's Wi-Fi, but I am working the rest of the week, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. But I hope y'all have a great week, and let me know down below what number I should be pulling because I want to interact with you guys. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.